The COVID-19 crisis has been a huge challenge to our community, as everywhere. And now we're all having to live our lives online, that not every household can do that. They may not have a computer or maybe the data connection to take advantage of the online space. So we're really pleased to be working with Substation33 and Logan City Council to get computers into people's homes.
One of our passions was always getting school computers, ex-school computers, ex-corporate computers, repurposing them and getting them out into the community. So COVID-19 has actually opened up that door for us because now people are hungry for devices, but there's no devices in the shops. We put a social media post up on our platform, 56,000 hits. We've got a couple of hundred inquiries for computers. We've developed a system that we can assess the needs of people. So I'll just pack up your computer and we're ready to go.
We got a computer. What do you think?
It's good.
What did we do before we had the computer? How did you get by with doing your homework?
Didn't really get to do it.
Yeah, my son bought us a phone so we would use that and just put credit on $10, check up on what they needed to do, get by to get their homework stuff done. So that's how we managed basically, or going to the library.
So interestingly, that up until a couple of weeks ago, this computer was probably destined for landfill.
Really? That's shocking.
It is. Well, not now because you've got a new computer.
Yes.
It's great.
Academically, the girls are doing really well at school and high school, and just them falling behind would have been so upsetting. You know, I work in the community here of Logan, so Logan means a lot to me. To know that this is available to our community is such a big thing.
We've got about 350 computers out the door this week and next week, and that's a great start, but it's clearly only just touching the sides. Something that we need our governments at both the state and territory level and at a national level to be thinking about how do we solve this digital divide problem and get money and computers in people's homes.